Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Blooper.
My name is Jimmy.
And today's video, we talk about the day trip in Amsterdam.
So we start our day visiting one and only Van Gogh Museum.
That's the twist. We could not film inside the Van Gogh Museum. However, we can tell you the experience inside. Technically, on that day, we went inside and we see the Van Gogh painting. Also, we know about his history and anything related to his brother.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate, his journey and really early, which left us wonder what he could have done beyond the what he had produced. If you want to know more about Van Gogh, you should do some research, and don't worry about the tickets during the winter times. You can buy on the same day. It shouldn't be an issue with purchasing the tickets.
Yeah, only have like few hours visit in Van Gogh because of the museum's not really big, few floor, and just want to let you guys know the security does not let you recording, but you can take pictures, so that's a good thing, and at least prove that you have been Van Gogh Museum. Next up, we went to the Canal trip, which is really excited to me, but someone have a little bit issue. What happened?
So, I don't like it.
He fell asleep in the canal and everybody was enjoying the view. Oh my god, the lady that next to us and looking at us, and she was snoring, and I feel so embarrassing. I don't know what to say, and he fell asleep because of...
I was exhausted, okay? No, I was thinking about the narration guided tour, right?
Oh.
I want to put myself back in that time, that event, when the canal was created. So, unfortunately, I don't know what happened. I mean...
Oh, really?
God dang it.
Well, the last part, we were talking about the river trip.
After the canal trip, I was exhausted. I couldn't go anywhere, so we decided...
On the canal, he was saying that he does not need to take a nap. I was recommended to take a nap, but he said no. But after the canal, yes, he for sure want to go back to take a nap. So we did not go out until the next really day.
The following day, we went to a fairy tale village. You guys, this is a must go. Take, half day to go here. Even though that day is raining, sprinkling, super cold, but we got a rental car, and good thing is I didn't bring my driver license and passport, so I didn't have to drive. Normally, I was driving. I would be the driver, but I'm so fortunate that I didn't bring those things, and he has to drive.
So on that day, it was our town trip because of. It's not at the central. I have to be the driver on that day, so I have to drive like 2 hours. But we stopped at McDonald, right?
Yeah.
We stopped at McDonald. We get them McDonald burger.
Oh, it was really good, really good. They have different style for every country.
Right.
So we stopped by Netherlands McDonald. Like, you guys should watch our videos and see what type of burger that we got.
After that, we went straight to there, and he fell asleep during that time. And the car I have some issue with the speaker.
Yeah.
And I could not hear any, what's that called? The navigations alert.
So anyways, we went to the canal. It's called the village of Giethoorn. It's about an hour and a half away from Amsterdam or Amsterdam Central.
Yeah, it was a great trip there because I booked a ticket on a rainy day and we owned the boat by ourselves.
It was such an amazing experience. That's a must visit. So please follow our journey. This is going to be an amazing videos. We'll show you guys behind the scenes and what we did. Hopefully you can enjoy the videos as well as some tips.
Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Bye.
That should be our car for today. For once, I don't have to drive. We are heading to the museum. Our food is finally ready. We're gonna eat.
The next day,
we are heading to the museum.
and now because of the Uber driver is waiting for us.
TikTok, mother.
One moment, let me see my hand. We are in Amsterdam. Buying tickets for the tour boat. Why is it getting darker?
Yeah.
I'm asking you.
That's how it's supposed to be. You know why? Look at here. Up there. That's like here.
Morning, good morning. This is our second day in
Amsterdam.
Yes. We are going to where?
Get the rental car.
Yeah, and then we're gonna head to the
We didn't think about to get the rental car because of it's so far away. But
Alright. We'll see you guys on the road. Yes, that will be our car for the day. For once, I don't have to drive. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yay! Driving a Volvo. Heading to McDonald. We are in McDonald for the first pit stop.
and also they have this
What other one?
how to do it.
Our food is finally ready. We're gonna eat some food. Chicken really crispy. The sesame bun is really good. I like the jam. Blueberry or some type of jam here.
Yummy!
A little smoky. The beef a little dry, but the seasoning here, the sauce, is really good. Boat rental. We're gonna grab a boat in this rainy season and trying to go to see the nicest view around here. Hey, we are at the Smith and Giethoorn in Netherlands, and we are waiting for the guided tour. We bought the coffee and apple pie. Whipped cream. Okay, cool. So we are here right now. It's about 3 o'clock. The next guided tour will be here at 3:30. Once they'll be here, we'll be on the guided tour boats.
Okay, welcome on board. I'm your captain today. My name is Dan, 18 years old, living and born also here. I will tell you something about the village today. The guided tour will take about an hour. And enjoy. Yeah, and then here on the left side you will see the most beautiful bed and breakfast. That's because I live there.
So if you guys are looking for a place to get a guided tour, feel free to book here. It's really nice, friendly staff, awesome restaurant. So amazing tour. Yay, we are back to Amsterdam after an hour and 30 to 45 minutes, almost 2 hours. We are finally back in Amsterdam. So we're gonna go to our hotel first, pick up our dirty laundry, and we'll go to do some laundry and then grab some food. Right now it is almost. Do not use her thing. I'm on the. I'm recording. Mexican post. Keep us warm for until the